So we worked on making characters sleep in the night time. Now it's night time, so that's why these characters are coming to the bed and sleep. We worked on this part yesterday and we created a behavior tree task that handles the sleeping behavior for this NPC AI characters. Now if I speed up, when the sun rises, the characters wake up. Sunrise time is at 6 AM. So I have speed up the time to show that. So see, now it's the daytime, so the characters wake up. So after that, the characters should go to work. So in the daytime, they should be working. Now let me switch into the daytime. And right now let me open the character blueprint and the behavior tree. Here you see. So here, this BTT sleep, this is what we worked on. And the next item we need to work on is this working behavior. So for that also, we need to have a behavior tree task. So I create a new task using BT task blueprint base as the base class. I'll call it BTT work. So working means in this case interacting with any of these daytime objects. That means either moving these boxes or doing some workouts with this barbell or sitting on these chairs. Right, now if I go to the blueprint, here we already worked on the working behavior in this part. So what it does is get an available interactable object from this pool of work actors. So work actors means these chairs or barbell or these boxes. So we can use the same, this event as a base to implement our behavior tree task. So the first thing we need is, we need to get an available work actor. That means an available interactable object. So for that, I think we would need to have an interface event to get that work actor. Let me open this BTT work. Now here we can add event AI, event receive execute AI. So from the control pawn, we need to get a work actor. So here in the parent class, we have implemented this BPI character. Let me open it. So here we have this get available bed, which is a function that we added yesterday. So let me add another one. Get available work actor. Okay, now it should return an actor. Object reference. I'll call it work actor. Now we can use the same part, maybe not random. get available work actor. Okay, so from these work actors we can run a for each loop, and then not a for each loop, we can run a loop with break. Now if this particular actor is available, that means no one else is interacting with that actor currently. If this is true, we can mark what's the event we had? Mark as occupied, yeah. As occupied. We can mark it as occupied, and let's promote it to a local variable available actor. Right, and then we clean it up a little bit. Okay, and then if this is true, if this is false, we shouldn't do anything. If this is true, we can mark it as occupied, and we can just break the loop. Like this. Okay, now right, now here from the control pawn we can get available work actor, and if is valid, let me promote to a variable. Let's just call it work actor. Well, maybe interactable actor. Right, now let's see what we have done in here. Mark as occupied and move to the interactable actor, and then start interaction. Have a delay, and right, let's do this part. If it is valid, we can get control for like this. No, we have to drag the line, no problem. AI move to. Now this is not, we should call it to connect it to the pawn, and target actor is interactable actor, and we have used 70 as the acceptance radius, so let's stick to that value. And if I succeed, I have to start interaction. And interacting actor is the pawn. So let's do it like this. Okay, and what's next? We have a delay here and end interaction. Let me just copy the same thing. Not object, interactable actor. Right. If it is false, wait and try to end again. If this is true, we can call finish execute with the success. Now here, if we get an invalid actor, we should, let's say we have a delay of 2 seconds and finish execute without success. Right. Now we can use this task here. Tasks BTT work. Alright, time to test. So now it is already daytime. So if I play, they should start working. Yeah, it is working. 2 of them are sitting on chairs. Oh, decided to sit again. Okay. What this guy is doing. Right, the system is working as intended. Let's see until one of them more works. They just switched the chair. So yeah, it's nothing wrong with the code, because I have just, what I have implemented is like randomly select one of the available objects and interacting with that. So that's why they just keep sitting. It's a valid way to work. Oh. Okay. I'm just waiting for them to move a box. Ah, right. So it's not random. Okay. The issue here is I did not make it random like before. Here, what we do is we get the immediate available object. So because of that, for these characters, we can't see the array. So in this work actors, they pick whatever the first object that is available. So that's the issue. How can we avoid that? Is there a way to shuffle? There. Project files will be available for download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon Club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.